And boom, EHang investors, I told you we gonna see a rejection around the $30 exactly by the cent. Here we got our confirmation for the rejection, as I said here in the previous video at 13th of April. I told you we're gonna see a rejection here, a test, then we're gonna see a test for the 28 again. And now you must be wondering what's going on, what's gonna happen for the prices for this 2 days. Really important for EHang to set an incentive for the next week for the price movement change or drop in the price. So stay tuned for the video. Is really important for any holder for EHang. And let's go right to it without BS, without editing, as I promised you with the Trading Jesus. So hit the notification bell so you never miss any of my future update, as I told you here and previous video, to see a selling pressure. And that's what happened. A basic psychology, guys, no complicated word like technical word, just psychology and selling, supply and demand. So let's go right to it and see the prices for today and by tomorrow and the coming weeks. So as we predicted in the previous video, hopefully you saw the video, so you never be panicking and you be wondering what's happening. And we got rejected at here at this price because I told you we're gonna see a big massive rejection, because of course our friend now is acting as our enemy. Our 21 AMA acted as a rejection, and look with me, we got even the gap because the big rejection happened here at $30, and we never see even the 31, guys, at 30 as I told you precisely. And we get the gap, then a test for the 28 precisely as I told you. So you can actually swing trade this, but a lot of people don't like this because they are holder for EHang. The best thing is to use this information to average down or sell a bit of your investment to reinvest it back in lower prices, so you have more gain on your money. So it's like you average down always, but at the right price value, where the smart money always buy at those prices. So now the scenario that we set back from the 13th of April happened. Now where the price will go from now. So from now, as I told you, we saw the test here. Now if we been consolidating and the price, the volume never picked up, look with me, guys, here from the last drop that we did, we saw a buying pressure, high buying pressure. We never stay below the 28, because as I always say to you, we never want any candle to close. We didn't see a closing candle, we see a green and buying pressure really hard. So by the today or the next days, we want to see pick up in volume, because look with me, guys, at SMI, the moment we drop, we have a dropping in volume again. This is you don't want to see. The volume of EHang, it's dropped even harder. Like even we bought back here with almost we don't see a closing candle, but we saw a drop in volume. Now the scenario that we don't want to see for EHang, if we we don't go above the $30 and we be consolidating around this area, this what the scenario will happen if we don't test the 30. The really important level, we have to go over 30. We see 31 in order to go to 32, and we go above from there. But if we don't go above the 30 and we consolidate below the 30 and around the 28, and that time if we break this level, really important, let me highlight it for you guys to see clearly. If we break this level at 28 and we see a closing candle like I show you here 20 at 27, and we see a closing candle, red candle here with the dropping volume. Big chance, as I told you, we're gonna see the price drop here around the 24 before we're gonna see a big buying pressure again at the 24. And again, if we don't hold and we don't see a candle like this with the big wick, or preferably even red, but a big wick like this around the 24, guys, this is a big incentive for the market maker. That means they will drop it even lower. Even we see a green candle but small, that means the price don't have is not best price to buy that, because they know, the insider, they know we need to see a big buying pressure. It means the perfect price, they know, and they just buy all in. But if you see a bit of green candle, it means they just buy a bit because they know the price will go lower, so they can average down. That's how they actually make money. They know when they put everything. They know when they put 10% on the portfolio, 20%. They never jump in and FOMO and buy everything. They have millions, they have billions, but even though that's why how they make their millions, they have a strategy. They never jump in. They jump in exactly at the price value, like this when happened at the 5th of March, and they sell here, guys. They sell just above at the 51 because they know this is the price, and they sell everything, and they just wait to buy and hunt for the perfect price again, while all people will be holding or be panicking. So as I told you, if we don't hold at 24, as I told you, for the smart money, they just buy here 20% because they know the price will go lower. The price that we're gonna see a big buying pressure if we don't hold the 24, or we don't see the confirmation candle that like a wick like here, but we see a normal candle, a small candle, we're gonna see a buying pressure around the 20, guys. You see? You have the 24 and the 20. The 20 we're gonna see for sure the big buying pressure like this one. If we got to the 20, we're gonna see a big buying pressure because the smart money ready for it, and they actually have like 90% of their portfolio. They put it at 20 to drive the price up again to 28 to test it again, because 28 is really important level to test, and will become our resistance in the future. So this is the full picture of EHang, and good indication that we should never go below the 28, or we should see a closing candle at 27. This is really bad. That will drive the price will go down. And the other scenario, as I told you, if we hold, we're gonna see a test for the 30, and we need to go above the 31 this time to test the 32, and preferably this exponential average will coil us to drive us up from there. This is the best scenario to confirm that we changed in momentum above the 32. Other that, this is a really red area, and I'm not ready to jump if I don't see clear indication for the price to go up, or you buy at 28, and if you see a closing candle below, you sell in order to buy in the lower prices like the smart money do. Always have a clear indication why you buy and when you sell to average down, so you never be emotionally attached to any stock or anything in your life. Have a decision beforehand. Put it in your front of your laptop. Put some predetermined rules to go through with any trade you take at every day, so make it easier for you, and you never let your judgment clouded by your emotion. So guys, if you like the video, like and subscribe to my channel. Daily video with me, Trading Jesus, will always tell you, be patient and let's hunt with the smart money at exactly the right price value. See you guys in the next video, and hopefully we see a green day for EHang, and see you guys.